Hey there! If you're having trouble downloading apps from the App Store on your iPhone, don't stress out. I'm here to help you sort it out. This issue could be due to a few different reasons, like connectivity problems, account issues, or just some temporary glitches. Let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Allow app download access. First, open your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on App Store. After that, enable the following 3 settings: apps download, app update, in-app content. Now scroll down and tap on app download. Select always allow for cellular data. If these settings are already turned on, then toggle them off and then back on again. Solution 2. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Verify that your internet connection is stable. You can use a speed test to check if it's performing well. If the connection is unstable, then switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Solution 3. Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Open Settings, then tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone. After that, sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 4. Check available storage. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Ensure you have enough storage available. If space is low, then free up some rooms by deleting apps or files you don't need. Solution 5. Clear App Store cache. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on App Store. After that, scroll down and tap on Personalized Recommendations. Next, tap Clear App Usage Data. Now restart the App Store. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset your Wi-Fi password, cellular settings, and VPN configuration. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of apps not downloading from the App Store on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, let me know in the comments below.